Welcome to Tony's cooking show. Today we're gonna make Jello. Skittle Jello and normal Jello. So we put the Skittle Jello in here. And the water's starting to boil over here. Then we add the other one in. Make sure you always put it in the garbage. Now we add the next one in. Make sure again to always throw it out. Let's see if the water's boiling yet. Nope. See you when it's boiling. Not bubbling yet. So yeah, I'm actually gonna come back when it's boiling. So see you. Okay. About to boil, Mama. It's about to boil. See those bubbles? That means it's about to boil. I'm gonna put a laser pointer. That makes it so cool. Yep. I'm just gonna make you watch it boil. When it boils. With the boiling water. May I walk down, busting on my deep. Let's see if it's boiling. Nope. We got the gingies. Now we got the cookies. Oh, you hear it steaming? Because I can. You might not, but I can. Yeah, it's steaming. Well, it looks like it's boiling, but it's not. Well, it looks like it's about to boil. Right, Mama? Look. Look at it. It's about to boil.
Soon, yep. It's almost there.
Yep. Stay look at this for a couple minutes until it boils. All the way. I can hear it sizzling. I think it's about to boil because I'm looking at it. Wait, I forgot to bring you with us. A little bit boiling, just a tiny bit, little bubbles are boiling. Little bubbles are boiling. The little bubbles turn into big bubbles. That is gonna be boiling. I don't know why it's still not boiling. Boo, 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 boo. This is so cool. It's a laser pointer for cats. It can go on anything. Anything, I mean anything. Oh. Oh. The bubbles are popping. The small bubbles are popping. A lot of the small bubbles are popping. Look. Look at them. Look at them.
Buddy, okay, it's okay. That's how it goes. I know, honey, but wait a minute.
I just said to look at them.
Alright, well, I will in a second.
Oh, whoa.
Okay, see, I'm done.
Killer.
Yeah?
I think it's about to boil.
Oops.
See you when it's boiling.
Alright, I think that's probably ready to just pour.
It's not boiling.
No, that's fine because we just pour it into the gelatin mix.
Okay.
Alright, let's turn it.
Mama, you need to pour it into the
I'll pour it
gelatin
and then you
mix.
can mix it, okay?
Okay.
Are you gonna do the thing? Okay, go ahead. Too busy with boiling.
I am.
Okay.
I was.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Here we go. It's very hot. You gotta be careful. Oh, I hurt myself. See? Ready?
Yep.
See? Pour in slow. Oh, it smells so good. Right?
Mm-hmm. Now we put the cold water.
No. We stir it.
Then we
It
put the...
dissolves for 2 minutes. And then after that, then we do the cold.
Get a spoon so I can stir.
Yep.
A big boy
We have a
spoon.
mixer. We have
A mixer. I know where a mixer is.
a little. You know what I'm talking about?
I know. Hold on. Where's it?
I know. Oh, I think.
Found it.
No, that's not that kind. That's a whipper, not that. This right here. Use that. That'll make a different kind of texture.
Fine.
Yep.
This is weird.
Yep. Mix it. See all the spots at the bottom? The dark spots? Yep. So 2 minutes. It's 8:03. So at 8:05.
I need to stop mixing.
Yep, at 8:05. Then you can be done mixing. And then we gotta pour the cold water.
It's almost 8:05.
Yep.
It smells good.
I have to change to 8:04 really fast. 8:05 would be good. And then cold water, and then freeze. And we figure out a spot for it. What do we do about water in the fridge?
I haven't turned 8:05 yet, so I'm still doing it. Oh, turned 8:05, guys. Now we put this in the sink. Now we put the cold
Make sure to
water.
stir it all the way. Make sure give it a nice little mama stir. Just make sure. Yep, I think you got it pretty much all the way.
Okay, hold this so I can do the
All right, go ahead.
cold
Just
water.
okay.
Hold this.
Mm.
Don't touch anything.
I'm not. Go ahead. So do it slow so it doesn't spill or splatter. Yep. Ooh, nice. Just circle.
pause
Yep.
it.
Good
Let
job.
me pause it.
Okay. Nice.
Yep.
Yep.
Now you open the fridge and my mom put it in.
Open it more.
Open it
It's a big
more.
one.
Big boy.
Ooh, look at all that Jello. We got lots of Jello. We got lots of Jello.
My mom is funny. Bye guys. See you on the next cooking show.
Hello. Jello time. Jello time.